Today is June 13th and it's a very special day. It is mine and Heather's 18th anniversary. We're going to seal it, put the front door in. Very exciting. Here we go. Okay, so here's a quick tip. I use this on the outside and I could only reach up so far. So I got a step ladder. I can still only reach up so far. You know, a long-handled ice scraper. Still only reach up so far. So how about a good old-fashioned push broom? I just want to get the dust off the crack so I can pull. I am ready to seal the windows. That's exciting. Finally. I'm not really the best at this. Heather and I are beasts. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
So we have everything caulked and now we're gonna put these doors on. All right, so it slides into that and probably this little plastic thing. Yeah, see those? So we gotta figure, okay, so the little holes, okay.
Okay.
All right, that's cool. One down. So the gliders went right in to that. Okay, and then these gliders, little plastic gliders, go there. I'm gonna cut the things off later, but that's how it goes on that inner. And then Heather is working on the magnetics.
Keep putting it on. Okay. Is it threading on properly?
It didn't. It took a little doing. I need the electric drill. It's all happening. Yeah. Great.
Oh,
We have doors.
we have doors.
So I think we just need to lube the doors, get the dust out of it, the dirt, and put some silicone spray in there. Waterproof, like WD-40 stuff. That'll be great.